Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Today I wanted to share some information with you, so just quickly making this video. So as a chartered accountant, I am able to see some compliance lapse regarding payments to the MSMEs. अभी क्या है ये compliance lapse ये मैं आपको डिटेल में बताती हूँ. So if you are purchasing goods or services from MSME vendor, specifically I am focusing on MSME vendors. So if you are purchasing any goods or services from MSME vendors, then you need to make payment to them under the limits prescribed under MSME Act. If you delay that, then you might end up paying the interest, which is 3 times of the RBI rate, and that to compounding interest. There is one more crucial point जो आपको याद रखना है कि अगर आपके कोई भी MSME के जो पेंडिंग ड्यूज़ है वो 31 मार्च तक आपने क्लियर नहीं करे, तो आपको जो भी वो परचेस का जो एक्सपेंस है वो एज अ डिडक्शन करके इनकम टैक्स में नहीं मिलेगा. सो उससे क्या होगा, तो उससे आपका प्रॉफिट बढ़ जाएगा बिकॉज आपको खर्चा नहीं मिल रहा है एज अ एक्सपेंस करके. सो अगर आपका प्रॉफिट बढ़ गया तो आपकी टैक्स की लायबिलिटी भी बढ़ेगी. सो प्लीज़ अंडरस्टैंड कि अगर आप पेमेंट नहीं करते हो MSME वेंडर्स को ऑन और बिफोर 31st of March, so you have only 5 days remaining. If you don't pay the amount, then it is going to directly hit your profit and ultimately the tax liability. So there are two options that you need to remember. Option 1, pay the MSME dues on or before 31st of March so that you will be able to claim that expense as a deduction under Income Tax Act. Option number 2, if you still don't pay the amount till 31st of March 2026, देन आपको जो खर्चा है वो पेमेंट बेसिस पे मिलेगा वो ईयर में, जो ईयर में आप वो पेमेंट क्लियर करोगे तो. सो प्लीज़ ट्रीट दिस MSME compliance very seriously. It's not just a legal liability, it's a business decision which is going to impact your profit and ultimately your tax liability. So stay compliant and stay protected. Thank you so much.